Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the blocked bead stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the single crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, and the bead stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 3 plus 1. I have already made 22 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 single crochet into the second chain from your hook. You're now going to make 1 single crochet into each chain across. So that's 1 single crochet into the second chain and then 1 single crochet into each chain across for row 1. To start row 2, make 2 chains. Skip 1 stitch. Into the next stitch, make a double crochet. Now we're going to work a bead stitch around the double crochet we just made. I have the bead stitch tutorial listed down below, but if you're familiar with the bead stitch, it's also a puff stitch. Yarn over, go around that double crochet, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop, and you're going to do that twice. You're going to do that 2 more times, so a total of 3 times. Yarn over, go around that double crochet, pull that yarn. Yarn over, go around that double crochet, pull that yarn. Yarn over, take that through all of the loops on your hook to complete that bead stitch. Into the next stitch, you're going to make a double crochet. Now we're going to start the process over. Skip 1 stitch. Into this next one, make a double crochet. Now you're going to make that bead around this double crochet. Then make a double crochet into the next stitch. Skip 1 stitch, make a double crochet in the next stitch. Make a bead around this double crochet. Then make a double crochet in the next stitch. Skip 1 stitch, make a double crochet. Make a bead around that double crochet we just made. 1, 2, and 3 for that bead. Make a double crochet into the next stitch. This is how things are looking. Skip 1 stitch, make a double in the next one. Make a bead around that double. Make a double crochet in the next stitch. Skip a stitch, make a double in the next one. Make a bead around that double. Make a double in the next stitch. Skip 1 stitch, make a double in the next one. Make a bead around the double we just made. And then make a double crochet in the last stitch of our row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, make 1 chain. You're now going to make 1 single crochet into each stitch and space across. And that's how row 3 is looking. You would now alternate between rows 2 and 3 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the blocked bead stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.